Getting iPhone 11 cases could be one of the best investments you'll ever make after buying the newest iPhone 11. While it's true that every iPhone owner appreciates Apple's design and use of materials to provide that premium feel, at some point you'll need a case to protect your 2019 iPhone from bumps, scuffs, and accidents. You definitely wouldn't want a happenstance to ruin your iPhone 11's cutting-edge display, camera, and shell, would you? All these 2019 iPhone 11 cases come with a 30-day money-back guarantee and free express shipping worldwide, so you won't have to worry if the merchant ships to your address. Pick out the one you like, ring it up, and you'll soon have a worthy case for your latest smartphone. One, Jolie. In a luxurious, liquid silicone case that's soft and smooth like newborn skin. Jolie cases are comfortable to hold, thanks to the soft TPU material. Your newest iPhone 11 will be fit and snug while being protected with a case that has a higher edge than your iOS device. You'll be glad to know that the Jolie iPhone case comes in a variety of colors. Plus, there are perfect cutouts for the triple camera, the power and volume buttons, and the charging port. 2. Adhesive. Preserve your iPhone 11's original premium look by covering it with a completely transparent silicone case by Adhesive. It's like a second skin that's slim-fitted, lightweight, and flexible, allowing you to hold your iOS device as if the case wasn't there. Enhanced screen and camera protection makes sure your smartphone is protected 24/7. It's drop-resistant and supports wireless charging. Just put it on and you won't have to worry about everyday scratches, bumps, and the occasional drops to the pavement. 3. Tarubia. All you'll need is a bright, bold case that speaks volumes about your style. In this case, you'll need a top-notch protective case from Tarubia that comes in a variety of candy hues, including yellow, green, and red. The soft and light TPU case won't make your iPhone 11 bulky compared to other cases. A peek at the inside material reveals a soft velvet lining that cushions your newest iPhone against unnecessary scratches and watermarks. The Tarubia case supports wireless charging for added convenience. 4. Walkie. Power iPhone 11 users will need a hard-working protective armor case that can stave off even the most cringeworthy drops to the pavement. Enter the hybrid TPU NPC armor case from Walkie, a clear shockproof case that has a futuristic honeycomb pattern for that wow effect. Slot this armor case on and you can forget about damaging your newest iPhone. It comes in full clear green, red, blue, and black. Convenient cutouts provide access to all your smartphone's port and physical buttons. 5. Ugreen. Transparent bumper cases show off the iPhone's marvelous design from the front and back. The plate and cover case by Ugreen is a no-nonsense iPhone 11 case that manages to make the iPhone 2019's aesthetic curves even more attractive. Black, red, or blue colors line the side of the case. Inside are raised grooves that serve to prevent scratching and rusting damage when you set the smartphone on any surface. More than that, Ugreen case provides maximum 360-degree shockproof protection. 6. Gradient. Gradient effects are all the rage nowadays, so it makes total sense that you'd want to get one for your iPhone 11. The Gradient Color Shockproof Bumper Case by Tarubia is one of the best we've ever seen in both appearance and protective functions. The transparent case adds the gradient effect, while reinforced edges shield your iPhone from falls and other accidents. Lightweight TPU material fully supports wireless charging for absolute convenience. 7. Subin. Get your 2019 iPhone an equally stylish case in the form of a classic leather hardback cover, courtesy of Subin. It comes in brown, black, gray, and red color options to mix and match according to the mood or occasion. The cutouts are pretty accurate and allow you charge, power off, increase or decrease volume and take perfect shots even with the MA case on. The hard material can 8. Jollywell. Dress up your iPhone 11 with the ultra-comfortable, luxury fabric business case from Jollywell. The fabric cloth and TPU material feels absolutely great in your hands while lending excellent protective qualities as you'd expect from a grade A product. Its slim and lightweight physique won't leave any scratches, bumps or fingerprints on your precious iOS device. Laser-like precision cutouts make the case feel like a natural extension of the iPhone. Jollywell has made their case so that it won't fade, attract dirt and give you a solid grip each and every time. 9. Vifical. Luxury cases come in all shapes and sizes, but there's nothing quite as striking as Vifical's leather case for your iPhone 11. The slim form gives way to many innovative features. A full cover button extends the physical buttons so you can easily press them whenever you need. Don't let the ultra-slim form factor deceive you, as it can provide 360-degree protection from falls, bumps and the occasional spills. Lining the inside of the case is a new heatsink designed to cool down your iPhone 11 during extended viewing, gaming or video calling sessions. 10. Binbo. Carbon fiber is a rare material and a luxury to have in an iPhone 11 case. When you want one that's ultra-thin and can keep up with the rigors of everyday bumps, bruises, and scratches, the one from Binbo is for you. The patterned carbon fiber case provides a premium, tactile feel and without leaving fingerprints on your precious smartphone. Installing is a one-snap affair for maximum convenience. Micro matte material wards off sweat, while the micro circle at the back protects the iPhone's rear cameras.